Yo, walk northwest, walk northwest. Yo,
Kakait na yung agila.
yo, walk northwest, walk northwest, walk northwest, walk northwest, walk northwest, walk northwest, walk northwest.
You're looking
Give me fix, give me fix. Yo, ready, ready, ready. Walk, 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 walk. Potion, potion, potion in, potion in. Look at inside, inside, on the choke, on the choke. 5. Hold the choke, hold the choke, hold the choke. Every 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, 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 no. Headbutt, 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 headbutt.
Everything. Drop.
Nice, nice, nice. You listen, listen. Walk to the choke, walk to the choke, walk to the choke, walk to the choke. Pass the choke, 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 pass the choke. Pass the choke, boys, pass the choke. Nice, nice, nice. Kill agila here, kill agila here. Walk past the choke. Hinila ko na. Walk past the choke, walk past the choke. Walk past the choke. Okay, good. Kill agila here, kill agila here. Hold northeast side, okay? Wait.
File tanks mo sa backless.
Yo, kill. Is Agila wipe? Agila wipe? Good. Okay, everyone look southwest now. Wait. Look at southwest ah. Careful SW, careful SW.
Drop east on cooldown. Sustain
Hold
muna natin.
Yo, kami ni. Yo, Henry, you still chasing Agila?
Yeah, we're going east.
Okay, kami sabi now.
Yo, help the ones in the back.
Yo, Mari, careful.
We're going
Ready,
west, we're going
defense
west.
shallow, okay? Let them engage past
Get right
the
in front.
Hold. Yo, I'm gonna fake only. Wait, hold. Yo, faking only. Hold. Come back. Careful front line, boys. Careful front line. Just wait. How big are we? B22. Okay.
Oh, heal south.
Hold. Yeah, step up.
Step up, cross the chop.
Eh, wait. Hold. Careful. Any info where Agila is? Or they
Pasok sila sa ano, ferry.
come southwest. Let's go. Come southwest. We fight them then.
Yo, eyes in front.
They level 20. They level 34. What the fuck? Inside Terry? Come southwest. Yo, careful up front. Yo, tanks. Can you guys watch west side?
Okay,
Some of the people watch west side. Okay, careful up front. Yeah, listen. They're looking. Yo, careful. Come back. Do not be too close for the clumpa. They're big. They're big, but we can fight them. They're big, but we can fight them. Heal me front line. Heal me up front.
Keep healing in front.
Yeah.
Eyes in front.
Yo, listen. Get ready to look at shallow. Wait. Hold on. Careful on the southeast. Southeast is looking, Marlica. Headbutt, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow.
Everything. Def.
Nice. Come back north. Your defense is
Keep
yeah, it's nice. Heal up only. It's good. We're healthy. Heal up. Come back north. We're healthy.
Keep healing.
Yeah, listen. Just like 2 tanks stop that bomb squad on the west side, okay?
Oh.
Nice one, Leopay. Nice one, okay? Good. Hold on. Heal up. Where's the banner? Careful up front. Daddy B, just hold the banner. Careful up front, okay?
G ito mo, yung nasa ano.
It's fine. That's a cluster. They're all fucking, focused on the fight in Vale. Hold on. Some tanks smash with me here. Careful up front. Careful southeast. Look at southeast. Wait. Defense shallow. Heal up. Careful. West side. Headbutt 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt west side. Kill west side.
Keep healing.
Nice one, boys. Heal up. Come northeast. Defend.
Left. One more.
Defend southeast. Heal up.
Easy.
Good job. Hey, listen. Nobody die, yeah? Just heal up. Nobody die. We're good. Careful up front, okay?
Nice.
Yo, they're stepping up. Careful shallow.
They're looking. In front.
Good, heal up. Smash the walls. They're looking over the wall,
They have one more engage.
Yeah, Malika, get ready to counter. Just wait. Hold on. Just tell me if the west side is stepping up. Okay? Tell me if the west side is stepping up. Then I need a tank behind in case I get bombed by Agila from behind. Careful. They engage over the wall.
They're looking.
Heal up.
West.
Heal up the balls.
Heal debubs.
Wait, heal up. Good. Yeah, west side is stepping up. West side, get ready. West side 5,
One more.
3,
They're
2,
looking.
1. West side now. Kill
Not
this west side.
Not yet.
Nice. Come back. Come back fast, boys.
Help them get out.
Yeah. Yeah, listen, be careful because they're engaging
wag
already
yun.
over the walls. They're engaging shallow. This west side is stepping up. Be careful. This west side is stepping up.
Keep eyes on Mulgi.
This west side is stepping up, so be careful.
Eyes on Woogie.
Defense. Heal up.
In front.
Yo, get ready defense on the west side. That west side's gonna look.
Mugi, GE pulling out, going southwest.
Okay. How big? Yo, Marika, get ready. Wait.
40 DA.
Is all of them, you mean?
Yeah. 46, I mean. 46. Go
All of them?
line.
All of them. Ayaw, come northeast.
Not.
Yeah, come northeast. Yeah, lupay, come northeast. Lupay, come northeast. Yo. G, yo, mata.
With pure gold.
Yeah, mata.
Mount up.
They full
Mount
zone,
up and
full
get
zone,
out.
full
Come northeast. Yo, help Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Yo, listen, are they coming towards me?
Yeah.
Come
Come
northwest. They coming towards us. Come northwest. The fuck are they doing, man? Come northwest. Careful. How big are they now? They're pretty big, but I don't think they have Minerva with. Yeah, they're 34, but they don't have Minerva. So Ken. Yo, careful. Defend.
In front.
Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Come back fast. Yo, careful north side. Careful south side. Come back northeast.
Keep peeling in front.
Heal up only. Nice. Good. Heal up. Somebody hold this banner.
Sino fallen natin?
Careful front line.
PT2 fallen.
Can we smash the
First
SC?
engage, ha?
Come SC.
PT2 fallen.
Can we smash the wall SC? Come SC.
First engage.
So that we have more space. Yo, careful. Watch my west side. Tell me if the tanks. Watch that choke there.
First engage means pag
Listen,
nag-engage tayo,
smash,
yung
smash,
drop
smash.
fallen on 3.
Careful over the wall. They have range bomb.
Eyes on Mogi. They're looking. Fake.
It's fine. We're level 22 enemies, level 33. Be careful west side. Tanks, get ready to hold them on a choke. They're looking over the wall. Defense over the wall. Heal up. Yeah, watch that, right? You see the Hodge already? Can you guys get away from that Hodge? He's gonna be engaging over the wall. Who has my banner?
Stepping up west.
Yeah, watch that choke. Just watch that choke. Yeah, tanks, keep smashing the wall. My DPS get ready, Low at me. Tanks just keep smashing the wall. Yeah. Ready. Let them engage past the choke. Hold on.
Huwag na kayo
Step
sa
up a
ano,
bit.
huwag
Step
na
up
kayo
a bit
sa
west side. We're gonna fake on, yeah.
Nasa
Listen, step up a bit. We're gonna fake. You boots up. We're gonna fake on. Fake on. Ay, come back.
Mugi,
Come back.
pason yung yung sa incline.
Yo, follow the crown.
Defense shallow. Everyone southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Oh, listen. Come back.
One more.
Always
Yeah,
going
come
into
back.
lane. Always going into lane.
Yeah, come back. Heal up. Spread northwest. Yo, how big is G?
Always zoning.
Yo, come northwest first.
we're getting
What are they doing? Mata. Yo, come northwest. Sprint northwest. Help my backline.
Always full zone.
Yeah, sprint northwest. Keep coming northwest. Tanks, hold them. Just walk northwest. Stop hitting. Keep coming northwest. Heal up. Just keep coming northwest. Help my backline.
Yung pure gold G holding sila dito sa
Northeast?
ah,
Okay. Just hold. Yo, listen. Hold.
Hold here.
If they probably zoning the northeast, right? Yo, hold northwest side.
hold lang
Just hold. Yeah, just hold northwest side. Sweet. Bro, these niggas. I need the banner.
Rin all rise.
Yeah, they should be zoning northeast, man. They should be there, not with me.